Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I received a package from BarryM Cosmetics. So BarryM sent me Jelly High Shine collection and it says, achieve a high shine glossy mani with BarryM's Jelly High Shine nail paint. The long-lasting plumbing formula offers a gel-like finish without a need of a lamp. And they also offer a cheek and lip tint. BarryM nail paint is also vegan. When it says vegan, it means that there are no animal-derived ingredients present in the formulation of the nail polish or nail paint, which also means it is cruelty-free. So this one is a Jelly High Shine nail paint from BarryM and it is a purple color. And the name of the shade is called Grape Soda. And next is the Jelly High Shine nail paint from BarryM. And the shade is called Lemon Sorbet. And it is yellow color. And this one is a BarryM Jelly High Shine nail paint in the shade called Raspeberry Ripple. I think it's a Raspberry Ripple or Raspberry Ripple. And it is color pink. And they also sent me a watermelon flavor lip scrub. I have already tried it and it smells yummy and it does wonders on damaged or dry lips and it works well. It makes your lips smooth. It is formulated with vitamin E, avocado oil, and jojoba oil to soften and hydrate your lips. So how to use it? Just simply rub the scrub over your clean lips. Make sure your lips are clean for a gentle exfoliation and then rinse off. And that's it. So now I will be swatching the nail paint. So first I'm gonna try the Raspberry Ripple. So before I start the video, I already applied base coat on my nail. So Raspberry Ripple is a pink shade. So I'm gonna start with the first coat. So if you guys notice the nail brush, it is super easy to use. And it's like you don't have to worry about making a mess on the line of your nail because the brush is easy to control not to go over the line. And this is what it looks like after 2 coats. And now I'm gonna do the rest of the nails. So watch the brush, how easy it is to use. It is super nice. It's like you brush it once and then it covers the whole nails. So I'm done with the first coat. Now I'm going to do the second coat. And look how glossy it is after 2 coats. This is not even with the top coat yet, but it also already looks so glossy. So this is the Raspberry Ripple and I like it. I don't think I needed the top coat in this one. I'm gonna leave it just the way it is because it's already have that glossy look, glossy finish. And next I will do the purple shade, which is called Grape Soda. I'm gonna start with the first coat. Watch the brush again. It is just wow. I love this nail brush. Now I'm gonna do the second coat. And now I'm going to do the rest of the nails. Start with the first coat. So even with just the first coat, you already see the glossy look and kind of like the mirror shine effect. And it is also easy to apply with your brush. The quality of the nail paint was really nice. Now I'm gonna do the second coat of the Grape Soda shade. And it's already achieved the opaque look in just 2 coats, which is nice. And that was the Grape Soda shade of Jelly High Shine Nail Paint from BarryM. Now I'm going to show you the Jelly High Shine Nail Paint, which is the color yellow, and it is called Lemon Sorbet. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys could check it out. It is now available on Lazada. So now I'm gonna start with the first coat. And now I'm gonna do the rest of the nails. Start with the first coat. One thing about the yellow nail polish, it is hard to achieve the opaque color. So let's see how many coats it takes for this nail paint for us to achieve the opaque color in yellow. So now I'm gonna do the second coat. And this is the result. So it's already opaque in just 2 coats, which is so impressive because like I said, it is hard to get the yellow shade to be opaque. So this is the Jelly High Shine Nail Paint BarryM Lemon Sorbet shade. It does really look like a gel polish, except this one you don't need to have a UV lamp or LED lamp just to dry it. It dries on its own. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that notification bell, and thank you for watching.